kids, well today, as I had promised, we learn how to use the pronoun it. Okay, fine. So the first use is, we use the pronoun it for non-living things. So let's see how it works. Okay, so let's say, bring me the book. It is on the table. So here, in place of the non-living thing, book, I've used what? I've used the pronoun it in place of the noun book. Okay? Or let's say, I'll write another example for you. Let's say, this cake is tasty, full stop. It was made by my mom, full stop. So again, okay, for the non-living thing that is the cake, what have I done? I've used the pronoun it in place of the noun cake. So you use it like this. You also use it for animals. So let's see how it works. Okay, let's say, there is a snake in the house. I think it is a cobra. Okay, so now in place of the noun snake, what have I done? I've used the pronoun it. Okay, so let's say another sentence for you is, I love my dog and it loves me. So here too, okay, in place of the noun, the animal dog, what have I done? I've used the pronoun it. Okay, so you use it for non-living things, you use it for animals, and you also use it for babies if you don't know the gender. By gender, what do I mean? Whether it is male or female, or whether it is a boy or a girl. Okay, so you also use it for babies when you don't know the gender. Okay, so how does it work? Let's say the baby is crying because it has hurt itself. So in place of the noun baby, I've used the pronoun it. Okay, so now you also use it to talk about the weather. Okay, like for example, let's say it is hot today, or let's say it rained last night. Okay, or you can also use it to talk about what? About time. So let's say it is 11 o'clock by my watch. Okay, or let's say it is Friday today. Okay, and we also use it to talk about distance. So let's say it is, let's say 10 miles from here. Let's say we are, okay, let's say Gorakhpur, or let's say it is 10 miles from here. So here, I've used it for distance, here I've used it for time, and here I've used it to talk about the weather. Okay, so you use it like in this way as well. Okay, sorry. Okay. Then, okay. And you also use it, okay, for, let's say, to focus on the nouns or pronouns that come after the to be verb. Remember the to be verbs? Is, am, are, was, were. These are the to be verbs. So let's say it is you. I want to talk to. Okay, or let's say it is this book that I want to buy. Okay, so this is a to be verb, this is a to be verb, so this is a pronoun and this is a noun. So to lay stress on the pronoun or the noun, I can use it in this way. Okay, but after it there has to be a to be verb. Or let's say it was Aditya who told us the story. Okay, so to lay the stress or to focus on the noun that comes after the to be verb, you can use it. Okay, so remember that. And there are a few more things, but I will not talk about that because you're in class 5. So there's one more thing that I want to tell you, and it is this, that it, remember kids, that it can be used in as a subject of the verb. It can also be used as the object of the verb. In the sense, it can come in the subject position, it can also come in the object position. Okay, what about the plural forms of it? The plural forms of it, simple. In the subject position, you have they. Okay, and in the object position, you have them. These are what? The plural forms of it. I will just write one example sentence on the board. Plural forms of the pronoun it. Sorry. Now I'll show you how it works. It's very, very simple. Okay. So let's say, look at those Christmas boxes. Okay, so we have a plural noun here. So look at those Christmas boxes. They are full of gifts. I will open them in the, or let's say at midnight. Okay, so look at those Christmas boxes. So I've used they. Okay, 4 boxes, and they is in the subject position. Okay, and I've also used them, the plural form them, the plural form of it, the plural form of the non-living thing boxes. I've used them, but this is in the object position. So look at those Christmas boxes. Okay, so you can't say it are full of gifts. So since boxes is a plural noun, we have to use the plural form of it. So what have I done so in place of the noun Christmas boxes, okay, which pronoun have I used? I've used the plural form of the pronoun it. So they are full of gifts, and they is in the subject position, and I will open what? I will open them at midnight. Them, you've used the plural form of it here to talk about what? Or in place of Christmas boxes. Okay, so just remember this much as of now. So it can be used in the subject position, it can be used in the object position. Okay, and the plural forms of it are they and them, and you use they in the subject position and you use them in the object position. Okay, that's it for now, kids. Bye, and I will see you in the next class.